Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Logitech Circle View for smart camera notifications. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Logitech Circle View camera is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Logitech Home app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account or log in to your existing account. Follow the on-screen prompts to add a new device. Select the option to add a camera. Choose Circle View from the list of available products. The app will prompt you to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Take note of your Wi-Fi credentials as you will need them for this step. Press and hold the setup button on your camera until the status light begins to blink. Return to the app and follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, the app will automatically search for your camera. When your Circle View camera is detected, select it from the list to complete the setup. You will then be taken to the Notification Settings menu. Here, you can customize your notification preferences to suit your needs. Choose whether you want to receive alerts for motion detection or specific events. After selecting your preferences, save the settings. You may also enable additional features such as activity zones and alerts based on specific schedules. Once all settings are configured, exit the Settings menu. Your Logitech Circle View camera is now registered and ready to send notifications. Test the system by walking in front of the camera to ensure notifications are received. Congratulations, you are now fully set up to monitor your space with the Logitech Circle View. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.